Alrighty, Paul, here's your 347 small block Ford. Just got done running it. Everything went great. Give you a description of this combination. It's got the AFR cylinder heads, the hydraulic roller motor, had that custom ground by comp. It's got the Edelbrock air gap. It's EFI, got the Sniper Holley system on it. Their distributor, ignition box, everything, coil, so it's all plug and play. We run it all for you. So pretty simple, pretty easy. Got your Moroso front sump oil pan. Got the March serpentine belt kit with the alternator. Make sure it charges for you. Go in there and show you how it ran. Alrighty, down at 3,000. It's 401 foot-pounds of torque. Looks like a peaks torque 427. Peaks horsepower 493. Front ends use about 15, so it's rated at 500. So everything's good. Get her off there, get in a crate. Come your way. Happy New Year.